So today we'll be replacing the brake pads on the D4 Plus 4.0. The only tool you will need will be a 2.5mm hex and your new brake pads. So to do this, we only have to take this pin right here. We don't have to remove the whole caliper. So grab your 2.5mm hex and completely remove this pin. Now to just grab your brake pads and pull them out. And get rid of the old brake pads. You can now install your new ones. Now we install them onto the bracket. It should look something like this. Now all we have to do is put them back into the caliper. Squeeze them and push them in. Now the last step is to install back again our pin. So slide it through into the caliper and brake pads. And tighten the pin with your 2.5mm hex. And that's it.